Our Downer Defence team are really, really cognizant of supporting Indigenous business up and down our footprint. Training programs like the Darumbal Ranger Program really do give a lot of opportunity and, can really help particularly some young kids turn corners in their lives and really know what direction they want to go.
The Darumbal Trainee Program started with an idea as to how we connect the traditional custodians of the land of the Shoalwater Bay area to defence capability and supports a large portion of our land management program.
Learned a lot, learned heaps, a lot about country, like plants, animals, doing a TAFE as well.
Can't really put into words how important this program was to me as a Darumbal man.
This is a significant historical time for all of us, an important moment, an opportunity to show real reconciliation. So it's a credit to everybody involved, achieving 100% retention. That's not an easy feat.
The program not only provides careers, but it also has an element of healing country, and it supports defence capability, but also brings people back to country.
We started by training 8 Darumbal men, and they're graduating today.
I think when we do programs like this, oftentimes we don't even realise a lot of the broader impact.
And the role that Downer Defence plays on Shoalwater Bay and connecting to small to medium enterprise and Indigenous communities plays a big part in that delivery.
So as the stewards of the estate, we work with them to provide a partnership where they can develop a career through training, formal training qualifications and experience on the ground. I think what's really significant and important about this partnership is that it's really about developing young people to become the best that they can be.
Oftentimes it's not until after they've completed and a year or two down the track and you start to see that their lives have changed, they're in full-time employment, and just the way a lot of the younger ones will carry themselves.
It's definitely tapping into the cultural side, like your identity. And I've been taught country's our first teacher, so you take care of country and she'll take care of you. That's the way I look at it, and I think a lot of these boys have that same sort of mindset as well.
I feel like this is just scratching the surface. This is just a little stepping stone for what we can actually achieve through partnerships, and I'm excited for the future, really.